so happy right now. Talonado, and so in this video, my case, it has arrived. So yeah, we have our power supply, we have our CPU, we have our storage, we got our stuff, we got our motherboard, got our case. That means I can build a full computer now. So we'll replace that one in the corner. I am so excited right now. Alright guys. Yeah. I'm gonna get everything prepared. We're gonna record a time lapse, but I'm so excited. Alright people, now that I have slightly calmed down, I'm gonna be setting up my tripod. So yeah. You could consider this a new era for my channel. And by the way guys, after this video is filmed, and I actually set up my lights that I also got in the mail today. Yes! We're actually gonna be essentially doing a room and setup tour. So yeah, we're gonna do a setup tour in a second here, after I build my computer and it's completely finished. So yeah, I might cut out some parts where I'm struggling with stuff, but this should be the entire build. Oh geez. Now, I don't know where to build this at. Luckily, since all of my surfaces here are made of, you know, anything but carpet, we shouldn't have to worry about, like, static or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna face it, I guess, towards here. I was thinking of using my desk as my editing area. So yeah. This video, by the way, is filmed after I recorded the first episode of Minecraft, but it's not coming out until, or the first episode of Minecraft isn't coming out until I'm finished with this. So, yeah, you know. Either way, I'm gonna set that over there, and we're gonna move this. We're gonna get a nice little workspace. And I need a ton of room for this, but we're just gonna angle this like right there. And just because, why not? I'm gonna change the source to HDMI 2, which is my old computer. So yeah. Actually, I do need my new PC. Can you see what I'm typing? Yes, you can. There you go. Don't want to reveal my secret password. You probably just saw exactly what I typed. Anyways, whatever. So yeah, here we go. Here is my stuff. You may have noticed BIOS and Windows 10 right here. That is because I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. It is actually because I have a USB. And we're going to be using the USB to essentially put Windows 10 and a new BIOS update on my motherboard. That way my CPU actually functions. So yeah, we're just going to shove all that in the corner and get the building, I guess. So yeah, any parts, yeah, we're just going to build it now, I guess. I don't know. Alright guys, we're to this state now. I'm flashing the BIOS, I'm updating it so my CPU is compatible. As you can see, we have our power supply, cable, boom. So yeah, let's go finish the rest of the motherboard actually. Yeah. So I'm just gonna very quickly flash the BIOS, and when we're done with that, I'll move on to everything else. Okay, see you guys later. BIOS flashing is going well. You can see it's doing its thing. There's a light. It's actually really bright LED right there. See my CPU? You can hear my CPU. Well, not CPU, PSU. You can hear it. It's using the thing right there. The guy in the video said it should take like 5 minutes, so I've been kind of just sitting here waiting for it to finish, you know, doing its thing. Looks pretty cool. Hello? Oh! What? Okay. I guess it's done. That's cool. I need to rewatch that back. But yeah, so I guess the BIOS is done now, so that means I can install my Apple components. Alright guys, that's the entirety of my motherboard done. No, I'm serious, that's the whole thing. That's it. There's nothing else. I'm serious. Alright, now what we're gonna do is, now I gotta install everything else, which is actually the easy part. Because basically, I just gotta take my case and put everything in. Well, no duh title. Well, you know. Alright. Yo, let's. Oh, God. Yeah. Herbert. My phone is very high up. If it fell there. We'll go. Alright, so we're gonna put my camera in a way to where you can still see what I'm doing, but I can also actually, well, do everything. Set that down. Did I mention this is a thick boy case? Like, this is a seriously big case. Like a really big case. Like, it takes up the entire desk case. I'm scared my computer desk might collapse case. And I didn't realize that the case would be like, you know, the size of your mother. Like, holy balls. Not even motherboard, just like mother. Like, holy balls. Listen to this power button, by the way. That is so nice. I like that power button. Alright guys, we're gonna release my phone from its prison, and what we're gonna do, just gonna place delete here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a forced boot up. So we're gonna head to the back, switch this on. Make sure you're connected. Make sure you're connected. My phone is now at 10%, but there is all the cables. It's my CPU core, case, fans. I may need to move that slightly, but it's fine. As long as I just bend it, that should be perfectly fine. You can see my case fans are spinning. You can see there's nice intakes. Airflow should be nice. I can install more fans. I'll put the glass side panel, or tempered glass, whatever, side panel on later. And what we're gonna do is we're going to press the power button. So we're gonna press the power button. Darn it. There, the wrong position. Something not connected. No, everything is connected. Now you're pushed in. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna try to plug in the other cables into this thing. Give me a second. Okay guys, I rearranged one of the cables. They're fans. Power. There's a lot of air pushing. That's spinning. It's doing its thing. Let me see if... Oh! We have... Yes! AMD Ryzen 550-600 with Radeon graphics, DRAM frequency, dual channel, DRAM size, USB total. We have... Yes! It booted! So, if we press F1... Okay, here's the BIOS. The mouse is working. CPU frequency 3.9. Okay, I put them in how they should be. Okay, storage. We should have Teamgroup 512. Okay, good, it shows up. That's, yes! Heck yeah! Let's go! This thing actually booted! What? That's sick! Oh my god! Okay, so guys, I just gotta install Windows now. And then I'm done. Holy crap! Okay, I'm gonna let my phone charge. And we're gonna take the... Yeah, we're just gonna install Windows now. This is so... Oh my god! It actually booted! Look at that! You can't see that actually, because my thing, like... God, like, look at that. The fans are spinning. I connected the fans properly. My memory, there's a light. It's all coming up in the BIOS. Holy crap, I built a computer. Oh my god! The thing actually works! It's a real computer, it can actually do stuff! I'm so happy! That PC is no more! Oh my god! That's so good though! My freaking computer works! So happy. Okay, yeah, so I just need to put in an operating system. Oh my god. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the boot media version of Windows, and then we'll be all good. So sick. That means my power supply is doing its thing. That means that my case fans are still spinning properly, so I connect them all correctly. That means my stuff isn't bootleg, it's not dumb, it's actually how it should be, and it actually freaking works! So yeah. Whenever I install Windows, I'll get back to you guys and copy my files. But like, holy crap! It freaking boots! Yes! Alright guys, update. We have a USB drive. I probably shouldn't touch it. We have a USB drive plugged into our working computer. We have Windows set up, and it's installing Windows. We're at 85%. So, yeah. And what I'll do after this, guys, is I have two options. I can either A, just buy a product key, which is like stupid, or what I want to try and do is you can't even see it, but my old computer is right where my finger was pointing, and basically what I wanted to do was copy its version of Windows onto my new computer, so it's just like the same thing, but on a different drive and a different computer. So yeah. Okay, here we go. It's up. It's doing it. Restarting. We should see the light go out. Looks like a ring light. The ring light didn't restart. My CPU light did though. Pro Series. Cable loading. Loading again, Just let it do its thing, I guess. You know how computers do be. They gotta just do their thing. Getting ready. Oh, blimey. Hey, yo. This would have been a nightmare to try and code. This would suck. Yeah, apparently I have now downloaded Windows. It should boot up into the OS. I hope it does. And if it doesn't, we're screwed. Oh yeah, by the way, in between clips, I cleaned up my bed and put them all back into the NZXT box. Or that box down there in that forbidden corner. And I also set up all my lights now. So now I have my Christmas lights all set up. It's really nice. It's loading. It's loading. It's doing its thing. Come on, Windows. Do your thing. Almost there. Queen, do you know what this is?
Good
Do you
job.
know what that is?
Yeah.
That's the desktop!
It took 1 minute, not several. Alright,
Heck
we'll
yeah!
go in the rest. And, I love you. Good night.
Yeah, have fun. Have fun. Holy crap.
You have fun.
It's freaking Windows. Bruh, it's Windows. Holy balls. Holy balls. We're freaking in Windows. We're in Windows! It's OS! Heck yeah. Got unpinned mail from taskbar. But we have Windows installed. Wait, there's no watermark in the clip. Why is there no watermark? Huh? That's weird. Anyways. There you go. Now, let's see here. I don't know if it's safe for me to take that out. Who knows? Is this Windows 11? No. Desktop, nothing. Freaking nothing on the desktop. There you go. There's the boot drive that I currently am using. This PC, local disk, 10 gigabytes. Oh god. There you go. There's all the files. There's all of them. There's every single file that you would possibly need for Windows. There's no watermark in the corner though, which makes me puzzled. Either way, we're gonna be setting up Windows real quick. I'm gonna get Wi-Fi. Apparently my antennas in the back don't work, but screw it. We're gonna use my USB thing. But yeah, so we're gonna take all the files from my hard drive, put them on the new PC, and yeah. We're like done now. Anyways, next time you see my computer, it will probably be A, moved, and B, set up. So yeah, Talonado, signing out. Bye, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified about updates on my new computer setup. Potentially. Probably more Minecraft.